Good morning. It's a wonderful day here in CHiLL. We're about to play billiard and putting and golf.
In the pool, kaya itinagtabidang my head sa shallow.
So we're gonna play billiard and maybe table tennis.
Maybe table tennis. Whatever everybody, whatever.
Shot town. Shot the spot, CHiLL. Look at the trees. Look at the trees. Isn't it neat?
Treasure.
Treasure Island. What can I see? You can play golf. There's golf. You can play golf here. Look, someone's playing golf.
What? Okay. Don't zoom in right in my eye. They see my eye already. You don't need to zoom in. Directly into the cornea. Or the whole eye, because that's bigger than just like a needle.
Here, just say eye. Just say eye. Just stop at eye.
Yes! What? Right, here it goes. Go!
Hole in one. Up. Checkmate. Go.
Right, so I'm gonna make the ball jump over the line and hit the one. Here it goes. Okay! Oi! That sucked. Sitting at the beach, decent time. The sun came out around I think 1 p.m. and nobody's here. It's us, just a couple of kids. Not that crowded compared to yesterday. And yeah, it's been good so far. We started reached I think around noon. Just in time for the high tide. Alright, so bye. Stop.
Hey Don.
Maklaro na dong.
Kibot. Oh. Jacket sabit. The big piso, bit. The big piso.
I would like to try off.
Maybe can we go to E-Zone? No.
So we just had how many hours? I think a 2-hour swim from the beach. So we went straight here to the ocean pavilion. I think it's the ocean wing pool. And yeah, taught Adrian to swim. He can now swim across the pool. Okay. And yeah.
I knew how to swim before, but I don't like swimming in deep. Anyway, let me take breaths. So yeah, peace. Look at my nostrils.
They can't see anything.
You just see a black silhouette.
Look in my nostrils.
So we're here at CHiLL right now, and this is our last night here. And I'm just gonna show you the place. It's so beautiful here. Hello. Let's see. Oops. Yeah, that's the hotel rooms up there. Got the cousins over here.
I just do it.
What are you guys doing?
Doing something special.
My pets.
Oh, okay. Okay, guys. So yeah, that's it. This is this is our whole this was our whole two-day long weekend.
How about smokes?
Wait, it was 3 days. Saturday, Sunday, and Monday today. So I'm not even gonna talk, I'll just let you guys see the view. Had a long day of swimming and now we're about to go home. Say bye.
Oh, then tell.
Say bye.
No, let him talk. I'll just be here. Let's talk about the frog stuff.
What?
The frog and the fish.
Nobody cares. No.
Exactly.
Exactly. Okay, I'm gonna stop now.
Okay.
Say bye.
I want to say one more thing before you guys tune off.
What?
Sir Batchix loves you and you're a smukoy.
Okay. Yeah, say bye.
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 In a million years, I'm Smokes.
We all are. Going home now.
So sad. I want to stay another night.
Hey, Ocean.
All you losers, make sure that you stay for 3 nights. We only stayed for 2 nights. 2 nights.
3 days, 2 nights. Yes.
So sad. I'm a chatterbox, like talking blah 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 blah. And I'm a chatterbox. Have a good day. Whoop. Look at my nostrils.
Asang lubot, basa.
Asang
ilok, basa. Asang ilok, basa.
Tinood ka na.
Smukoy. I'm a chatterbox.
Say goodbye to Shangri-La.
Yeah, so sad. I wish we could stay so much longer, or at least like a month.
A month? Might as well live here.
Bye, cool. Never see you again.
We'll come back here like maybe you come back with your dad. Okay?
Hopefully he'll come. But if he doesn't, I'll pinch in his lubot.
What?
You guys see this? Oh, he's so gonna get it. I'm gonna grab his lubot and then throw him on the plane. So fun, right? That would be the most funnest thing ever. So he'd finally come and we could just keep chattering his mouth off. So we just put some tape on his mouth and then he'll just be quiet and then and then we'll take it and he'll have fun like, oh, I'm glad I came here. Like, whoop whoop, show my butt.
Yeah, that yeah, I'm gonna stick to just asking him nicely. This is a Chinese restaurant.
Oh, hello.
Sea of Spring. Over here we got tides.
You got tides.
Okay, you go ahead and get some food.
A joke.
You go ahead, and we're gonna come after you.
We're about to leave. It's so sad. I wish we could stay here, but I have school, and I love you. See you in about a year. In a year.
Are you sure you're gonna come back here in a year?
Don't think about that.
Okay.
Random people, please watch all our other videos. This is like just some of the few videos I have when I'm this age. Well, when I come back, I'll be 10. So bye.
Yeah, it'll be 10 next year. February 14.
Valentine's Day.
Huh?
Sound fun, huh? You want to see my boogers? Huh? They look so gorgeous. They're nice and blue. Joke.
Nice and blue. What?
Yeah, from the pool. And the butt shaking. It's dark blue because, the brownness in the pool.
Okay, say bye for now.
Bye for now. Are we going to take another video?
Yeah, later.
Okay, we're going to take another video. Please watch that one. This is part 1. Make a part 2, okay? Just put part 2, okay?
No, there's already part something.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Dump shark. Da 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 da. I want a video. I want to see something in
That's video.
Oh, hi people. This is gonna be a sad moment because we're gonna split up with Atike, right?
No, we're still going to Mandawi.
Oh yeah, we're going to Mandawi. But after that, so sad. We're gonna split up. I'm sorry, viewers. That's a lot of. That's the end of most of our fun. But we're gonna take a video of me leaving on the airplane. Hopefully, you see me take off. Shaking my butt in the window.
You smoke weed.
Smoke, can you hold it?
Fly on through the night.
Yeah. Kuya Carlo, if you're watching this, or Kuya Ross, any other of my cousins, I guess I miss you right now. If I'm in the US, but if I'm with you, then probably I am, just doing my thing. And I think you know that, so it's just smokoys. Anyways, it's a new word. It's smokoys. Smokes. I'm Adrian Smokes. I'm Mr. Smokes here. I'm number 1 Smokes. Yeah, joke. I'm Junior Smokes. Junior, big standing. I'm so proud. Oh, I hope you're not watching this, Kuya Carlo, Kuya Ross, but if you do, have a great time watching this little movie, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, whatever. This is just one of our sad things.
Here's a sad song. Goodbye. Say bye.
Bye. See you in the next part.
Bye.
At Mandawi. These are all my smokoy cousins.
Hi. S1 reporting for duty.
AS reporting for duty.
S2. Hola. HS leading the team.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, never.
Never. I like smokoy points, everybody. Let's get 1 million.
Yeah. For our group.
Smokoy. My name is Adrian Smoke.
Yes.
Very good.
80.
80 smoky.
Yay, it's in my name. So happy.
Smokes for life.
Good.
Smokes for life.
Good boy, Adrian Smoky. 80 Smoky. 80 Smoky. That's your name. For life.
Yours. You want a snow bear? Sure.
Smell.
Good.
Secret handshake. Smoke with
Hi
handshake.
guys. Hi guys. Hi smokoys.
Hold on. I want them to
Ganda plato eh.
sing this song.
Dumb ways to die.
Get your toast out with a fork. Do you run?
Even though they're dead, they're still dancing. Really disturbing, but it's okay. It's okay.
During hunting season.
That is disturbing right there. Very disturbing, Adrian. Why do you like that song, huh? Sina? Smoker! Uy! Amoy!